Hello student, in this video we talk about how to use silence detection in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora and import your media and then drag and drop, right, and then select your media clip, and from here you select this button, the silence detection. You also find this button here, click custom toolbar, and from here you see the silence detection, right, select it, right, drag and drop it, and then click on save, and your button is saved. You also find this button from here, tools, and from here audio, and from here silence detection. So click on it, right, and from here the silence detection window is open, right. So from here is your timeline, it is your video, and it is your audio, right, and from here the start button, and from here the volume threshold. Your 25% or less than volume, it will be deducted, right, and the minimum duration is 0.5 second. You also increase or decrease this duration. If I increase to the 1 second, so it will be detect the 1 second silence feature, right. In this 1 second area which is not talking, it will be detected, and it is the softening buffer, the ending point of the silence detection and the out point of the silence detection, it will be softer. So from here I click on the restart, so it will be automatically remove silence audio region from your video, so it will be deleted. If I check, so it will not be deleted, and if I uncheck, so it will be deleted. So that part, right, is unchecked, so it will be deleted, and if I click on the check, so it will not be deleted. So that part, right, the silence part will be deleted in my video, right. That part, that part, that part, all the silent part in which I does not talking will be deleted. So you may be care to does not delete any part in which you are working on your PC screen but you does not talk, right. So you will be care to this point to does not delete any part in which you does not talking and in which you working on your PC screen, and then click on the export timeline, and all the part in which you are talking will be exported, and those part in which you are not talking will be deleted automatically in your video. So it is an advanced feature of Filmora to detect the silence feature in your videos. Thank you.